Alright, you guys, I have the iPhone 8 Plus and I recently just updated my phone to iOS 14. So I'm gonna show you guys one trick on taking photos and doing captions. So iOS 14, they do have now an option where you can put a caption on your actual picture just to save it. So let's say go into camera. I just happen to have this here outside. I'm like on the backyard right now. Take a picture. You'll see it here. You can see that, like that's the one I just took a picture. So when you can now put a caption, let's say angel. It's good to add caption for some pictures, like instead of just clicking like it's your favorite picture, it's nice to have, like I can do that too, favorites, or like with like photos that I really like to see all the time or easy to find, I put it on my favorite folder. But now since we did the caption for angel, it's easier to find it. So let's say we go to the notes. When you're tagging people, or like we're trying to post some pictures and you want to browse through like photos, specific photo, now you'll be able to see it. I'm just giving you an example. Nice day today, took a picture with my 8 Plus, and I want to add like a picture, choose photo. Well, I know it's just right there, but now new feature, you can actually find the pictures that you specific picture that you actually just took or you want to add on your file. I'll put angel, see that. Now you can just select it and add, so it's easier to add it. You don't have to look through, like especially when you have a lot of photos, you don't have to look through like a lot of your pictures or browse like whatever time frame you took that picture. Now it's easier for you to actually find it. So that's it for now. Thank you.